I hope you would have spent your weekend sensibly well. We are going to practice 75 adverbs today. Adverbs starting with A, B, and C. So with your interaction, we're going to start today's class. So let's get started. Okay, dear friends, now the first adverb is amazingly. A-M-A-Z-I-N-G-L-Y. Surprisingly, astonishingly, incredibly. Yes, please.
She sang amazingly well for her age.
वो अपनी उम्र के लिहाज से हैरत अंगेज तौर पर अच्छी गाती थी. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, my dear friends, welcome back to Genius Institute Lahore's live spoken English class. And with the students of IELTS and PTE, you're also being entertained. Dear friends, I hope you would have spent your weekend sensibly well. Now, sensibly, appreciably, hardworkingly, intelligently. So these words starting with or ending with rather ly are known as adverbs. These adverbs have significant role to play in a sentence. Actually, sometimes they are adding something into the meaning of verbs. Sometimes they are adding something into the meanings of adjectives, and sometimes another adverb. So there are plenty of examples which will quote here while practicing these words in our class today. We are going to practice 75 adverbs today. Adverbs starting with A, B, and C. Each letter has got 25 adverbs, and we'll give you the meanings definitely of these adverbs and three examples. Three synonyms of these adverbs for more clarity. And moreover, it will be used in a sentence, a very appropriate sentence, so that you discover the exact sense and meaning of these words. So with your interaction, we're going to start today's class. So let's get started. Okay, dear friends, now the first adverb is amazingly. A-M-A-Z-I-N-G-L-Y. Surprisingly, astonishingly, incredibly. Yes, please.
She sang amazingly well for her age.
वो अपनी उम्र के लिहाज से हैरत अंगेज तौर पर अच्छी गाती थी. Accurately, precisely, exactly, correctly. A-C-C-U-R-A-T-E-L-Y. Accurately.
He accurately predicted the outcomes of election.
Outcome of the election, उसी इंतखाबात के नताइज बिल्कुल दुरुस्त अंदाज में पेश गोई किए. Aggressively, A-S-S-I-V-E-L-Y, aggressively, forcefully, assertively, boldly.
The company is aggressively expanding into new markets.
Into new markets, कंपनी जारहाना अंदाज में अपने नए बाजारों में फैल रही है. Appreciably, A-B-B-R-E-C-I-A-B-L-Y, appreciably, noticeably, significantly, considerably.
The weather has become appreciably
colder.
colder.
मौसम नुमाया तौर पर सर्द हो गया है. Appropriately, A-P-R-O-P-R-I-A-T-E-L-Y, suitably, fittingly, properly.
She dressed appropriately for the formal dinner.
She dressed appropriately for the formal dinner. उसमें रस्मी अंदाज के लिए, इशाइये के लिए मुनासिब लिबास पहना. Astoundingly, A-S-T-O-U-N-D-L-I-N-G-L-Y, astoundingly, surprisingly, remarkably, unbelievably.
The film was astoundingly successful worldwide.
फिल्म हैरत अंगेज तौर पर पूरी दुनिया में कामयाब रही. Avidly, A-V-I-D-L-Y, avidly, eagerly, enthusiastically, passionately.
He avidly read books about world history.
He avidly read books about world history. वो दुनिया की तारीख के बारे में किताबें बड़े शौक से पढ़ता है. Awkwardly, A-W-K-W-A-R-D-L-Y, awkwardly, clumsily, ungracefully, inelegantly.
He smiled awkwardly after forgetting her name.
He smiled awkwardly after forgetting her name. उसका नाम भूलने के बाद अजीब अंदाज में मुस्कुराया. Alarmingly, 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 worryingly, disturbingly, or frighteningly.
The pollution levels are rising alarmingly.
The pollution levels are rising alarmingly in Pakistan. आलूदगी की सतह तशवीशनाक हद तक बढ़ रही है. Austerely, 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 severely, sternly, or harshly.
He spoke austerely, showing no emotion.
He spoke austerely, showing no emotion. वो सख्त लहजे में बोला बगैर किसी जज्बात के. Amicably, 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 peacefully, cordially, kindly.
He settled the dispute amicably.
They settled the dispute amicably. उन्होंने झगड़ा खुश उसलूबी से हल कर लिया. Affectionately, 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 lovingly, tenderly, warmly.
She hugged her mother affectionately.
She hugged her mother affectionately. उसने माँ को मोहब्बत से गले लगाया. Assertively, 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 confidently, firmly, or decisively.
She asserted her opinion assertively in the meeting.
She asserted her opinion assertively in the meeting. उसने मीटिंग में अपनी राय का इजहार पूरे एतमाद अंदाज से किया. Admirably, 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 excellently, commendably, or praiseworthily.
He handled the crisis admirably.
He handled the crisis admirably. उसने बहरान को काबिल तारीफ अंदाज में संभाला. Anxiously, 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 nervously, restlessly, or tensely.
He waited anxiously for the test results.
He waited anxiously for the test results. वो बेचैनी से टेस्ट के नताइज का इंतजार कर रहा था. Abundantly, 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 plentifully, amply, richly.
The garden was abundantly filled with flower.
The garden was abundantly filled with flowers. बाग फूलों से खूबसूरती से भरा हुआ था. और artfully, cleverly, skillfully, or cunningly. Artfully, artfully, artfully.
She artfully avoided answering the question.
उसने चालाकी से सवाल का जवाब देने से गुरेज किया. Angrily, 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 furiously, irritably, crossly.
He shouted angrily at the driver.
He shouted angrily at the driver. उसने ड्राइवर पर गुस्से से चिल्लाकर बात की. और alarmingly, alarmedly, alarmedly, fearfully, or apprehensively, or nervously.
She looked around alarmedly when she heard a noise.
उसने आवाज सुनकर खौफजदा होकर इर्द गिर्द देखा. Acutely, 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 sharply, intensely, or deeply. He was acutely aware of his mistake. वो अपनी गलती से गहरी आगाही रखता था. और adversely, 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 negatively, unfavorably, harmfully. Excuse me, guys. Please concentrate. The decision adversely affected small businesses. उस फैसले ने छोटे कारोबारों को भी मनफी तौर पर मुतासिर किया. Alluringly, 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 attractively, seductively, charmingly. She smiled alluringly at him. उसने पुरकशिश अंदाज में उसकी तरफ मुस्कुरा कर देखा. Aimlessly, aimlessly, purposelessly, randomly, idly. He wandered aimlessly through the streets. वो सड़कों पर बगैर मकसद के भटकता रहा. Audibly, 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 clearly, distinctly, or perceptibly, he sighed audibly during the speech. उसने तकरीर के दौरान साफ सुनाई देने वाला सांस लिया. Agreeably, 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 pleasantly, delightfully, enjoyably. The weather was agreeably cool that morning. उस सब मौसम खुशगवार तौर पर ठंडा था. Now the adverb starting with a B. Number 1 is briskly, briskly, quickly, energetically, swiftly.
She walked briskly to catch the bus.
She walked briskly to catch the bus. वो तेजी से बस पकड़ने के लिए चली. Boldly, 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 bravely, courageously, fearlessly.
He boldly challenged the unfair rule.
He boldly challenged the unfair rule. उसने बेखौफ इस गैर मुनसिफाना कानून को चैलेंज किया. Bluntly, 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 directly, frankly, or plainly.
She spoke bluntly about the issue.
She spoke bluntly about the issue. उसने मसले पर साफ गोई से बात की. Brilliantly, 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 superbly, excellently, outstandingly.
The actor performed brilliantly in the play.
अदाकार ने ड्रामे में शानदार कारकर्दगी दिखाई. Bitterly, 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 angrily, resentfully, harshly.
He complained bitterly about the delay.
He complained bitterly about the delay. उसने ताखीर पर सख्त शिकायत की. Beautifully, 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 gracefully, attractively, wonderfully.
The room was beautifully decorated.
The room was beautifully decorated. कमरा खूबसूरती से सजाया गया था. और brutally, brutally, savagely, harshly, violently.
Protesters were brutally attacked.
शाबाश. The protesters were brutally attacked. मुजाहिरीन पर सफाकी से हमला किया गया. Broadly, 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 widely, generally, extensively.
The idea is broadly accepted among experts.
Shabash. The idea is broadly accepted among experts. ये ख्याल माहिरीन में आम तौर पर तस्लीम किया जाता है. Blindly, 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 unthinkingly, thoughtlessly, recklessly.
They followed the leader blindly.
He followed the leader blindly. उसने रहनुमा की अंधी तकलीद की. देखकर दोज़ख में अपने पीर को एहतरामन में भी दाखिल हो गया. So that is the blind following. Right. Briefly, 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 shortly, concisely, swiftly.
She explained the plan briefly.
She explained the plan briefly. उसने मंसूबा मुख्तसर तौर पर समझाया. Busily, 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 actively, diligently, or industriously.
He was busily preparing for the event.
He was busily preparing for the event. वो तकरीब की तैयारी में मसरूफ था. Bashfully, 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 shyly, timidly, coyly.
She smiled bashfully, then he faced her.
She smiled bashfully when he praised her. शाबाश. जब उसने तारीफ की तो वो शर्मा कर मुस्कुराई. boldfacedly, boldfaced, boldfacedly, shamelessly, brazenly, audaciously.
He lied bold-facedly to everyone.
Shabash. He lied bold-facedly to everyone. उसने बेशर्मी से सबसे झूठ बोला. All right. Beneficially, 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 advantageously, helpfully, or profitably.
The treatment worked beneficially for most patients.
The treatment worked beneficially for most patients. इलाज ज़्यादातर मरीजों के लिए फायदेमंद साबित हुआ. और bravely, 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 courageously, valiantly, or fearlessly.
He fought bravely till the end.
उसने आखिर तक बहादुरी से लड़ाई की. Boastfully, 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 proudly, arrogantly, conceitedly.
He spoke boastfully about his wealth.
About his wealth, उसने अपने माल के बारे में फख्र से बात की. Benevolently, benevolent, benevolently, kindly, charitably, generously.
He smiled benevolently at the children.
He smiled benevolently at the children. उसने बच्चों की तरफ मोहब्बत से मुस्कुराहट भरी नजर दी. और briskly, briskly, energetically, rapidly, quickly.
The wind blew briskly across the valley.
हवा वादी में तेजी से चल रही थी. और bold-heartedly, boldheartedly, bold-heartedly, fearlessly, daringly, or courageously.
She spoke bold-heartedly against injustice.
उसने नाइंसाफी के खिलाफ बेखौफी से बात की. Bitter-heartedly, 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 resentfully, gloomily, angrily. He reacted bitter-heartedly to the criticism. उसे तनकीद पर तल्खी से रद्द-ए-अमल दिया. Brightly, 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 cheerfully, vividly, radiantly. The stars shone brightly in the sky. और सितारे आसमान पर चमक रहे थे. Barely, 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 hardly, scarcely, just. He barely passed the exam. वो मुश्किल इम्तिहान में कामयाब हुआ. Blissfully, 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 joyfully, happily, or delightedly. They were blissfully unaware of the danger. वो खतरे से खुशी बेखबर थे. और briefly, briefly, concisely, or summarily, or shortly. He spoke briefly about before leaving. वो रवाना होने से पहले मुख्तसर बात कर गया. और bitterly, bitterly, resentfully, furiously, angrily. She wept bitterly after hearing the news. वो खबर सुनकर करवाहट के साथ रोई. And then the adverbs starting with the C. Now the adverbs starting with C. The first one is calmly, calmly, calmly. L is silent here. Peacefully, serenely, and composedly. She calmly handled the difficult situation. उसने मुश्किल सूरत-ए-हाल को सुकून से संभाला. Right. Okay, it was your sentence, please. Okay, please go ahead.
She calmly handled the difficult situation.
उसने मुश्किल सूरत-ए-हाल को सुकून से संभाला. Number 2 is carefully. carefully, carefully, cautiously, attentively, precisely.
He carefully read the instructions.
Read the instructions. He carefully read. Actually, the spellings are the same, but the pronunciation of second and third form is different. That's it. उसने हिदायत गौर से पढ़ी. Cautiously, 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 carefully, warily, and prudently.
The cat approached the dog cautiously.
बिल्ली एहतियात से कुत्ते के करीब गई. That's great. Or closely, 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 nearly, tightly, attentively,
She watched the child closely.
She watched the child closely. उसने बच्चे को गौर से देखा. Clearly. C-L-E-A-R-L-Y. Clearly.
He spoke clearly so
Excuse me. Obviously. Plainly. Distinctly.
he spoke clearly so everyone could understand.
She spoke clearly so everyone could understand. उसने साफ गोई से बात की ताकि सब समझ सकें. साफ साफ बात की उसने. Confidently, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T-L-Y, confidently, assuredly, firmly, assertively.
He confidently presented his ideas.
उसने अपने ख्यालात पूरे एतवार अंदाज से पेश किए. Constantly, C-O-N-S-T-A-N-T-L-Y, constantly, continually, repeatedly, persistently.
She is constantly improving her skills.
She is constantly improving her skills. वो मुसलसल अपनी महारतों को बेहतर बना रही हैं. And creatively, C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E-L-Y, creatively, imaginatively, inventively, artistically.
The designer worked creatively on the project.
डिजाइनर ने मंसूबे पर तख्लीकी अंदाज में काम किया. Critically, C-R-I-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y, critically, analytically, harshly, seriously.
He examined the report critically.
He examined the report critically. उस रिपोर्ट का तनकीदी जायजा लिया. Courageously, C-O-U-R-A-G-E-O-U-S-L-Y, courageously, bravely, boldly, fearlessly.
She courageously faced her fears.
उसने बहादुरी से अपने खौफ का सामना किया. Coldly, C-O-L-D-L-Y, coldly, indifferently, unemotionally, heartlessly.
He replied coldly to her question.
उसने सर्द लहजे में उसके सवाल का जवाब दिया. Cheerfully, C-H-E-E-R-F-U-L-L-Y, cheerfully, happily, joyfully, brightly.
She greeted everyone cheerfully.
She greeted everyone cheerfully. उसने सबको खुश मिजाजी से सलाम किया. Completely, C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E-L-Y, completely, entirely, totally, wholly.
The room was completely silent.
कमरा बिल्कुल खामोश था. Consistently, C-O-N-S-I-S-T-E-N-T-L-Y, consistently means regularly, steadily, constantly.
He consistently performs well in exam.
He performs consistently well in exams. वो इम्तहानों में हमेशा उम्दा कारकर्दगी दिखाता है. और cynically, C-Y-N-I-C-A-L-Y, cynically, sarcastically, mockingly, distrustfully.
He laughed cynically at the idea.
उसने ख्याल पर तंजिया हंसी हंसी. और convincingly, C-O-N-V-I-N-C-I-N-G-L-Y, convincingly means persuasively, compellingly, effectively.
She argued convincingly in her defense.
She argued convincingly in her defense. उसने अपने दिफा में मुअस्सर दलाइल दिए. Comprehensively, C-O-M-P-R-E-H-E-N-S-I-V-E-L-Y, comprehensively, thoroughly, extensively, exhaustively.
The topic was comprehensively covered.
मौजू को मुकम्मल तौर पर बयान किया गया. और challengingly, C-H-A-L-L-E-N-G-I-N-G-L-Y, challengingly, daringly, provocatively, and boldly.
He looked challenging at his rival.
He looked challengingly at his rival. उसने अपने मुखालिफ की तरफ challenging अंदाज में देखा. और carelessly, C-A-R-E-L-A-S-S-L-Y, carelessly, negligently, recklessly, inattentively.
He carelessly dropped the glass.
उसने लापरवाही से ग्लास गिरा दिया. Curiously, C-U-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y, curiously mean inquisitively, questioningly, or wonderingly. The children looked curiously at the stranger. बच्चों ने अजनबी को तजस्सुस से देखा. और comfortably, C-O-M-F-O-R-T-A-B-L-Y, comfortably means easily, conveniently, pleasantly. he sat comfortably on the sofa. वो आराम से सोफे पर बैठ गया. Collectively, COLLECTIVELY, collectively means jointly together, cooperatively. They decided collectively to support the plan. उन्होंने इज्तिमाई तौर पर मंसूबे की हिमायत का फैसला किया. Cleverly, CLEVERLY, cleverly means smartly, intelligently or shrewdly. He cleverly avoided the trap. उसने होशियारी से जाल से बचाव किया. और casually, CAUSALLY, casually means informally or carelessly or melancholily or and he dressed casually for the meeting. उसने मीटिंग के लिए गैर रस्मी लिबास पहना. और consciously, CONSCIOUSLY, consciously means deliberately, intentionally, knowingly. She consciously avoided talking about the matter. उसने जानबूझकर इस मामले पर बात करनी को गुरेज किया. So thank you very much, guys and girls. 75 adverbs today with their 3 synonyms and their sentence use along with its translation in Urdu for your complete understanding and comprehension. We have done it, we completed it, and I really appreciate you that you have participated in this exercise. And these are not 75 words. These are actually 300 words. Along with 3 synonyms, you have covered 300 words today. They're all adverbs. And I hope that they cover lots of concepts. And I told you about the meaning of the adverb and how it is used in sentences. May Allah bless you all. Thank you very much indeed. God bless you. Thank you.